Helping seniors maintain independence and safety at home starts with supportive furniture. The best chair assist for elderly offers sturdy construction, easy grip handles, and ergonomic design, making it simpler for older adults to sit down and stand up comfortably. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Able Elderly Chair Assist. The Able Elderly Chair Assist is an excellent mobility support tool designed to provide seniors and those in recovery with the confidence and independence they need when sitting down or standing up. This stand assist is ideal for preventing falls by offering stability and balance, making it particularly useful for elderly individuals, people in rehabilitation, or anyone with limited mobility. One of its standout features is its full adjustability, allowing it to fit furniture cushions that are 12 to 21 inches above the ground, 19 to 26 inches wide, and 24 to 27 inches deep. This versatility ensures compatibility with a wide range of couches and recliners, provided that proper measurements are taken beforehand. The cushioned handle grips offer both comfort and security, supporting up to 300 pounds while reducing strain on hands and wrists. The handles can be adjusted from 7 to 10 inches above the horizontal frame, giving users the leverage they need to stand without discomfort. It also works well with different cushion styles, whether fixed, stitched, or removable, making installation simple and convenient. Built with quality materials and user-friendly adjustments, this chair assist delivers peace of mind while blending seamlessly into everyday living spaces. Overall, it's a reliable, safe, and practical support system. Number 2. Stand Elderly Chair Assist. The Stand Elderly Chair Assist is a multifunctional mobility aid that makes getting in and out of furniture much easier and safer for seniors or individuals with limited strength. This stand assist provides reliable support not only for sitting and standing, but also for picking items off the floor and walking short distances indoors. It features a sturdy, curved handle that ensures a secure grip, while its wide anti-slip base adds stability, preventing wobbling or tipping during use. Crafted from heavy-duty aerospace aluminum, this assist device is impressively durable while remaining lightweight enough for daily use. One of its biggest advantages is its telescopic shaft, which adjusts from 29.5 to 39 inches, making it customizable to suit various heights and seating arrangements. Whether used with low couches, standard chairs, or elevated benches, it provides a comfortable and secure standing aid. Designed to restore independence, it is especially useful for individuals recovering from surgeries, injuries, or illnesses that limit mobility. The stability it provides reduces strain on the knees and back, which can make everyday activities far more manageable. By combining adjustability, rock-solid construction, and user-friendly features, this stand assist serves as a dependable mobility solution that can significantly enhance comfort and confidence at home. Number 3. Glnnk Elderly Chair Assist. The Glnnk Elderly Chair Assist is a well-engineered support system that prioritizes both safety and adaptability for seniors and those with limited mobility. Designed to fit a variety of furniture types, it works with chairs, sofas, and couches that have a ground clearance greater than 1.4 inches and a seat height of under 22 inches. The grab bars measure 21.65 inches across, accommodating different body sizes comfortably. What makes this stand assist particularly impressive is its adjustable height and width, ranging from 22.8 to 24.8 inches tall and 19.3 to 21.7 inches wide. This adjustability makes it versatile enough to be used not just for sofas and chairs, but also near beds or even in bathrooms for added support. Built from high-quality carbon steel, it can support up to 400 pounds, ensuring strength and long-term durability. The ergonomic TPE handle grips are waterproof, non-slip, and comfortable, giving users a secure and reliable place to hold while standing or sitting. More than just convenience, the Glnnk Chair Assist offers critical fall prevention by stabilizing movements, particularly for individuals at higher risk of imbalance. Overall, this chair assist delivers a robust, safe, and flexible solution, making it an excellent choice for seniors and caregivers alike. Number 4. Vive Elderly Chair Assist. The Vive Elderly Chair Assist offers a trusted and straightforward solution for seniors who need help transitioning between sitting and standing. Built with durable aluminum, this stand assist is strong enough to support up to 300 pounds while maintaining a sleek and discreet design that blends with most home decor. The dual handle design is one of its key advantages, as it provides a stable foundation for rising without twisting or straining the body, which reduces the risk of falls. Unlike more complicated assistive devices, the Vive Chair Assist is easy to install. Simply place it around the base of secure cushions or beneath loose ones. This makes it highly versatile and suitable for use with sofas, recliners, or cushioned chairs of different styles. The lightly padded foam grips offer both comfort and security, allowing users to push themselves up with confidence. Its adjustable frame ensures that it can be tailored to fit various seating arrangements, making it practical for everyday use. Whether used in the living room, bedroom, or other areas of the home, the Vive Chair Assist provides reliable mobility support while remaining unobtrusive. It's an excellent option for anyone seeking stability, safety, and independence without compromising on comfort or style. Number 5. Fanwer Elderly Chair Assist. The Fanwer Elderly Chair Assist stands out with its unique Y-shaped handle design that provides both directional and height adjustments for a more customized support experience. Unlike traditional straight handles, this Y-shaped handle allows users to adjust forward or backward, making it easier to lean comfortably while transitioning from sitting to standing. Its thoughtful engineering focuses heavily on stability, featuring an adjustable crossbar that connects the frame for added sturdiness and a polygon-shaped base that significantly reduces shaking compared to standard designs. These enhancements make it a particularly safe choice for seniors or individuals recovering from surgery, injuries, or mobility limitations. Supporting daily activities, it helps users stand and sit with reduced strain, making it especially beneficial for those with back pain, ankle injuries, or post-knee replacement recovery. The Fanwer Assist is also designed for convenience, as it can be installed either beneath or on top of cushions, depending on furniture type. Assembly is straightforward with the included guide, though it's recommended not to place the device directly on leather sofas to avoid potential damage. By combining a stable frame, innovative handle design, and thoughtful safety features, the Fanwer Elderly Chair Assist provides a reliable mobility solution that restores independence and confidence at home. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.